In this question, it gets a little bit more complex because I have more than two forces. I have 4 newtons going towards the left, and then I have 6 newtons and 12 newtons going towards the right. First thing I need to do is assign signs. Let's call this way negative and this way positive. My force net equals all the forces in this direction plus all the forces in this direction. So my force net equals negative 4 plus 6 plus 12. So my force net equals, well, 6 and 12 is 18, but then if I add a negative 4 to it, I get 14 newtons plus. And which way wins? That way wins. Now I have 4 sets of forces all going in different directions. Let's start with the x-axis. I'm going to call this way negative, and I'm going to call this way positive. And so if I figure out my force net here, that is all the forces in that direction plus all the forces in this direction. So force net equals minus 4 plus 4. Force net equals 0 newtons in the x-axis. But in the y-axis, let's see, the 8 newtons I'm going to assign a positive to because most people assume that up is positive and down is negative. And so force net equals all the forces in that direction plus all the forces in that direction. Force net equals plus 8 plus a minus 2, giving me a force net of plus 6 newtons. And then I'm going to use an arrow to represent just to cover all of my bases.